Hi everyone, thank you for being here. Before I begin pumping, I always double check that every part of my mechanical breast pump is fully clean, dry, and ready to use. I inspect the bottle, tubing, valve, and breast shield to make sure everything is in good condition and properly sanitized. This model is one of my favorites because the pieces connect easily and lock into place without needing constant adjustment. Once everything is firmly assembled, I position the breast shield gently and start with a low suction level. Beginning slowly helps my body ease into the pumping rhythm comfortably. The pump provides a smooth, steady motion that feels natural and consistent. When I finish, I carefully detach the bottle and check the milk collected. After pumping, I disassemble each part, rinse them under warm water, wash with mild soap, and leave everything to fully air dry. Following this routine helps keep the pump safe, organized, and ready for the next use.